Hey guys, so today we've got yet another haul. Hands up, I have a shopping addiction, but I'm telling myself this is the last time, I'm telling myself it is the last time because I'm trying to save money, and just because I'm trying to save money basically. But I did go onto Asos and I bought a few bits because there was one thing in particular I needed, which was a new pair of brown brogues for work because mine are looking a little tired, and they're like the day I got the order come in, they were like falling apart a bit. So good planning on my part. But so I'll just show you this. This is the first thing. It is the brogue in question. Now these are a little different to what I've got at the moment. These are they're in tan. I'll link them below. They're a bit different because like it's got this, sorry if you can hear a dog. This bit round here, and the sole is like different, and the colour is slightly more browny than tan on my other shoes. But I've tried this one on and it fits fine. And I do like Asos shoes, they wear really well, like considering how much I've worn them. And for the price, these are £25. They're not real leather, but they will do and they look smart. These look smarter than the other brogues. Don't know what else more to say. This is what they look like. I did get two. The other one is in the packaging here. Right, so initially I did need those, but initially I was looking for a bag because when I went to Dublin, I bought some stuff while I was in Dublin, but I took my little Zara bag, which I've done a fairly recent video on what I take to places when I go travelling. There's probably about a title for that I've done, which I'll link below and I'll put a picture up there. I take that bag, iCard or whatever, I took that bag to Dublin, but I also took my fabric black shopper bag as well, and that's just like open for the world to take, and I had stuff loose in it because I brought things, and in order to take the stuff on Ryanair I needed everything to be in one bag which would fit under the seat. So this was a hunt to buy a bag that had a zip on the top, could fold away, small, and was actually waterproof because that one's not. So I came across this. So if the lighting is off, by the way, I'm using my spotlights in my room. I bought this, which is just a blue like nylon bag, tote bag in the men's section. It's by Asos design. It's got a zip closure there, and it's just a big open space in black, but it also has a zipped pocket inside, which, I mean, here's my phone, which is an iPhone 7 Plus, that fits in really comfortably. So this will actually be good for trips, and you can use it for like shopping and things. I like the detailing of like this fake leather there, and then the fake leather on the top as well. And the zip is very smooth and it's quite substantial. And then it's just got these two handles which are in black, and then the navy blue fits over shoulder very well, as you can see. So yeah, like that was on sale from £18 to £10.50 or something, and it will fold up quite nice and small as well, and it will fit. So you can fold up like that and even smaller probably. So it's more secure, it's waterproof, and will be good for travel. So one last thing before I get on to the disaster. I bought this t-shirt here, which I've been eyeing up for a while. This is the Asos, another Asos design. That's what the like range is called. t-shirt, and it has just got printed on, so it was like £8, just says Merci on it, not Melcy, Merci on it, and it's just white, and I think it would look quite nice tucked into those new look trousers I bought, or my check ones that I've got. And I also thought it would look good in the trousers that I ordered in my Asos order, but didn't come. This is what came instead of my trousers. What? This is a new look, not even the same brand, t-shirt. It says New York on it, and then some weird thing here, and it's striped. The stripes are the same. I ordered some pinstripe trousers from Asos. I'll put a picture here. This is what I was meant to get. This is what I got. A t-shirt in size medium. But wait, looking at the little label on the packet, it says Asos Design Tapered Smart Trousers in Navy, and has the same product code. What are you doing? So, like, what is this? So yeah, I DM'd Asos on Twitter and I was like, what's up? Like, what's happening? What is this? And they came back to me, well, we're back and forth, and I was like, this has happened before. A while ago when I ordered a Fred Perry polo shirt in small, but it came in extra small, but the label on here said small even though the actual thing was extra small. That was no deal, no problem. I got one sent to me the next day in the correct size, all hunky-dory, sent the other one back. And I got the other item before I sent the other one back. Whereas with this, I said, like, guys, what's happening at Asos? Like, this is not what I ordered. It says it is here, but this is clearly not a pair of trousers. This is clearly a pair of a t-shirt. And I explained, and they said, you need to send that back, and we've forward this onto our team to investigate. And then I did a long spiel, like, happened before, like, what happened before they sent me back they sent it out the same day to the next day delivery, free of charge, stuff like that. And then they just sent back, like, and during processing it was out of stock, so that's why you did not get your item. Please send it back for a full refund. So I'm not getting my pair of trousers because I looked on the website, they're out of stock now, because this was what was in stock when I ordered it, which is clearly not the right thing. So yes, a bit annoyed about that, a bit gutted, because those trousers were going to look so nice, so I might order some on Boohoo. That's why I said it's nearly finished, but they're not going to be quite the same because they were like going to be skinny. But yeah, what can you do? It's only clothes, I guess, at the end of the day, but it was going to look really nice. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little haul from Asos. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys are well. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already. Tons of stuff happening over there. And I will see you next time. Bye.